What's up everyone, it's Domina Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair and I'm reviewing another pre-curled unit. I have been getting so many of these, you guys. I guess it's just like, I don't know, like a new trend or something like that, but I am not mad at it whatsoever. Absolutely love this new trend if it is one. Today's unit is just a little bit different from the other ones that I received. So this one has just like this chunky blonde highlight like this here in the front, barely in the front, here at the bottom, and then the rest of it is just like a jet black color. So most of the color will be in the front, and then you have like some, you know, low lights randomly throughout the unit, like there and a little bit back here. You see, it's just like very light though. Most of that color is going to be right here in the front, and I really do like the chunky, you know, blonde piece here that blends in perfectly with the bangs that I made here. Now the unit does come curled already, so you don't have to worry about curling the unit whatsoever, and it also comes with bleached knots. So I did put some concealer in the part, but you guys were able to see that the knots were bleached. And the best thing about this unit or this install is the fact that it is completely glueless. You do not need to use any product to adhere this unit. However, they do give you like lace tape that you can use if you want to. It's completely optional, and I did cut the excess lace off. I don't like the excess lace if I'm not going to be gluing it down. If I'm not using any product, I don't want to have that because I still feel like it's very visible when you're not using product. The scallop edge is best when you're doing a unit that is going to require some kind of product. Like I said, this is a pre-curled unit. I absolutely love it. You don't have to pull the curls apart like how I did. If you do, it probably will be better to use like one of those wide tooth combs, and then it'll be like all uniform when you do that. But it's still really pretty nonetheless, no matter how much like you play around with it, which is something that I can appreciate. And the fact that you don't even have to put like hairspray or anything on the curls to get them to stay, I think that's amazing, because that is something that I tend to deal with a lot when I do have units. Anytime I curl my hair, I typically do have to use some kind of hairspray in order to keep the curls to stay in place, but that is not my experience with this unit. It literally like just stays like this, and I absolutely love that about it. It's a great feature, and also that just makes me feel like once you wash it and you curl it yourself, you won't have to use like a bunch of product, because the hair is like really soft. It's not like crunchy or anything. It's still really bouncy. It has a nice movement to it. So I can definitely appreciate that. And I like the construction of this unit. This unit does have the adjustable elastic band that you can like hook in and take out, but it also has the adjustable straps in the very back as well, along with a really long comb. Like the comb is about this long. It's not like the little ones, because normally they're like this big, but the comb is like that. So I love that because it gets it nice and secure in the back. You don't have to worry about the unit just being too big, because I feel like when it comes to glueless units, companies are forgetting that the back still needs to be like down, and you're gonna need more than a comb to do that. So I'm glad that, you know, UNICE is keeping that feature in their units, because a lot of companies have been taking that strap out in the back and only giving you the elastic band that you can adjust that hooks up more so at the top here, which is a problem, because even though it's like hooked in at the top, is it keeping the unit down? Sure, but the back is normally loose, and I hate that with some of my units. Like the fact that some of my units are so loose in the back, it just makes me want to take it off. Like I don't like how that feels. So I like that this one feels nice and secure, especially if it's going to be a glueless install. You want it to be as secure as possible. So I love the construction of this unit, and UNICE is just absolutely amazing. I love their units. The hair is gorgeous. It's so soft, smooth, and silky. Okay. And then it is pre-plucked as well. Now mine may look a little bit different because I did put a little bit of hairspray on the comb, but you guys can see there that it is pre-plucked and it looks really nice. And then as far as the parting space, it's a 7x5 closure unit. So it's 7 inches across from here to here, and then the tracks start down there, right? So that's what that side looks like, and then the same thing on this side. It's pre-plucked, as you guys can see, and then the tracks start there. So if I pull both sides back, You guys can see what we have going here. And if you want to, you can like do something with this top half. Do 2 ponytails at the top or something like that. You can do a half up, half down if you wanted to. You can definitely get creative with it, but I did want to show you guys how to style the unit normally, because this is how it comes, and just show you guys what it looks like out of the box. But you can definitely play around with this. You don't have to just keep it in one kind of style, which I can appreciate, because when it comes to a closure unit, they're definitely one of my personal favorites. I'm sure a lot of you guys know that about me now, but yeah, I love a good closure unit just because it's so quick and easy to put on, and you don't have to worry about like trying to glue the whole thing down, and you don't have to worry about like adding a bunch of baby hair if you don't want to. And today you guys see I did not add any baby hair to this unit. If you want to do that, you definitely could do like, you know, the typical little swoops right here or something like that, but that's just not like my thing. When I have units like this, I don't like to add all that baby hair. But yeah, you guys, this is the unit from UNICE. And as far as the specs on this hair, I believe that this is a 24 inch, so I will pull the curls actually for you guys so you guys can see where it's hitting on me when you pull it. So this is where it hits normally up here, and then when you pull it, it's like down here. Okay, so you guys can kind of see how long that is. Really, really nice. Take a step back further for you guys, a nice wide shot. And then it's really, and it's a nice density too. I like the density for this one. So let me show y'all in the back what it's looking like. Okay. Beautiful curls. Period. Sitting on me. And then if I was to pull it. But yeah, y'all, shout out to UNICE Hair for sending over this unit. If any of you guys are interested in checking it out yourself, be sure to check out that description box down below for all the details, along with a direct link to this unit and any coupon codes that I might have. You know, everybody loves a good discount. So yeah, shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.